Hey guys, welcome to another walk with my ma. We were driving to go get gas, and we decided to pull over here at. I'll take a look at the sign. Let's see if you can see a better view of the sign there. There you go. It's quite a nice picturesque area. Sun is setting a little bit, so we've got sun shining off the water.
You can go down walk on the water if you want.
It's up to you, whatever you would like to do, Ma. Water any good? I didn't walk very good enough. We have a drone on us.
Seagull.
Hi, crow. It's just going to be more cobblestone. It'll be harder for you to walk the further we go.
It is beautiful.
I think there's a path on there.
Okay, we keep going?
No, turn around.
Turn around and go up through here?
Yeah, we'll see that. Take a look through there. What do you think of the spots, Mom?
It's beautiful. We'll have to come back in the summer and do a picnic. Right?
Yeah. I have some information.
see what this is. Want a job here? They're hiring.
There we go. Just so you guys know, you can pause at any moment and still look around. Give it a try right now. Kind of neat, eh? You don't have to worry about missing anything.
It's a nice little place to come for a picnic.
You can see the water dam up there.
It's chilly for one today.
We'll head down this path here.
Okie dokie. Look, they made it accessible here. So that if you have a wheelchair, you can come down here. See the picnic table? Park right there. That's pretty cool, eh?
I don't think they heard you because they were so far away.
I said they made the park accessible. You can bring a wheelchair straight down here and go over to the picnic table and park it right at the end there. It's just perfect. It's really good. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
No, how about on your legs right now?
Maybe not. We'll just look at the line. For an adventure. This is the end.
Was that a bunch of sticks, Mom?
Yeah. They get in the way.
You want to go down there? Okay.
Oh, it looks like holly. Prickly. Careful, there's some right on the path here.
So that's the dam over there, guys. And Mom's taking us along the fence line to the road. Well, I'm going to end the video here because I see washrooms and I'm going to use one of them. And so thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll continue our walks with Ma in the future, right, Ma?
Right.
But you guys don't want to go in the washroom. So.
No, that's not a good.
No, it's okay. So
See you later.
bye.